Hello everyone. So this is fourth time, right? So today we're going to explore one of the essential data structures in the Python programming language, lists and tuples. To start, let's understand the definitions of lists and tuples and explore the key differences. Both are used for storing data, but their materiality differs. So the list, mutable and defined with square brackets. Tuples, immutable and defined with parentheses. Now let's learn how to work with lists and tuples. We will cover indexing, slicing, and modification. So first, list, my list, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, element equal my list 2, index subset equal my list 1, 4, slicing my list 0 equal 0, modification in tuples my tuple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, element my 2, indexing subset my tuple 1, 4, slicing. So the code above demonstrates how to index, slice, and modify lists in tuples. Lists and tuples are individual for storing and manipulating data. So let's explore the introduction and usage of these data structures in depth. So list, for example, let's try fruit. Apple, banana, cherry, fruit, and orange. So adding an item, fruit, remove, banana, removing an item, tuples, dimensions 10, 20, 30, length, dimensions, checking length. 다음에 나요. 이거 하고 있습니다. The code showcases how to add, remove items, and checking length using lists and tuples. Now let's run this code and understand how lists and tuples behave by displaying the result on the screen. So you've now learned the basic of lists and tuples. In our next video, we will dive into dictionaries and sets. Stay tuned for more learning. Thanks for watching and see you next time.